Ever whipped up something so delicious you swore off the store-bought version for good? That's exactly what happened when I concocted this homemade mustard. I promise you, once you've tried this, you'll never reach for the supermarket variety again. Picture this: a luscious, tangy, and slightly sweet mustard that's perfect for your sandwiches, salads, marinades, and more. It's not just a condiment, it's a game changer. And the best part? You probably have all the ingredients in your pantry already. To create this culinary masterpiece, you'll need condensed milk, sugar, mustard powder, mayonnaise, and white vinegar. That's it. 5 simple ingredients, 1 fantastic result. Begin by combining 397 grams of condensed milk with 250 milliliters of sugar and 110 grams of mustard powder. Stir until the sugar dissolves completely and the mixture is smooth. Next, add in 200 milliliters each of mayonnaise and white vinegar. Mix everything together until it's thoroughly combined. The vinegar gives the mustard that classic tang, while the mayonnaise adds a creamy richness that's hard to resist. This recipe makes approximately 1 liter of mustard. That's plenty to last you a while, but don't be surprised if you find yourself whipping up another batch sooner than you expected. It's that good. Now imagine slathering this homemade mustard on a freshly grilled burger or using it as a marinade for your favorite cut of steak. The possibilities are endless, and so is the flavor. So, why settle for the bland store-bought mustard when you can create something so much better at home? Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. If you enjoyed this recipe and want more like it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification. That way you won't miss out on any new videos. And if you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with your friends. Happy cooking!